Welcome back to the Hello Tomorrow Global Summit. It is time for the grand finale, the awards ceremony for the Global Challenge. And we are very happy to have our worldwide partner, BNP Paribas, with us. BNP Paribas Group has been a partner of the Hello Tomorrow Global Summit since 2016. It's a great match because at the heart of BNP Paribas' development strategy is innovation. And their objective is to support these new industries that will change the world. So it is my pleasure to welcome to the studio the head of strategic initiatives from BNP Paribas, Andreas Lambropoulos, as well as the CEO of Hello Tomorrow, Arnaud Delatour.
Hello, Andreas.
Hello, Arnaud. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good to see you. And good to be here again this year.
Yeah, good to see you again, and especially thank you to come here physically. We know it means a lot those days. We are particularly grateful because you have been supporting us since 2016, so almost the beginning. So really trusting us for a long time. And it's also great for us to have a large bank as a partner because as a large bank, you have really a strong effect driving the economy. So you have the financial power to really make substantial positive change, financing the world, not only as it is today, but as we want it to be in the future. And in your opinion, why do you think, why are you supporting deep tech entrepreneurs?
So indeed, for BNP Paribas, it is a major point to support entrepreneurship, innovation. We are the bank of the changing world, as you said, and we really want to make it happen and to be that way. I think that this is more important than ever this year because of the pandemic crisis and because we are living. We all know that crisis means challenges, but also opportunities. And I think this might be a good opportunity for innovation, for technology in different ways. One of them is everybody now all around talks about technology, innovation, and we know how important this is. And the second one, I think, is that, as you said in one of your studies, most than 2/3 of the people are talking about how these will change their lives going forward, how this crisis will change their life forward. And I think when we talk about innovation, companies will also change the way they're seeing, entrepreneurs will change also the way they're seeing this in 4 ways. I think one of them is being more effective and trying to be more efficient in what they're doing. The second one is, of course, more technology-driven, and we will see much more coming that way in the next years. I think the third point, which is very important, is being more collaborative and cooperation. And I think in this extent, everybody now understands that everything is connected. All the industries, all the verticals are connecting, and we expect much more collaboration in the future. And of course, the last one is being more human and more sustainable, which are embedded in your strategy and in our strategy as a bank.
Thank you, Andreas. We can only adhere with those values. And we are here today to award the grand prize of 100,000 euros to the grand winner. It's the first time that you are here or that BNP Paribas is awarding this grand prize. So let's look at what the others have become.
We need to understand the future. Future is going to be about technologies in any sector. We need to understand where our customers, where the economy is moving.
Our ID mimic this input. This means provide the spinal cord with the kind of information that the brain would deliver naturally in order to work.
So for this, what we have to do is really deliver bursts of electrical stimulation that are very precise in order to synchronize the stimulation with the intended movement.
Last year, I met a crazy NASA engineer with a crazy idea to machine gun plant trees using drones. We created a detailed terrain map using existing drone technology. The seed pod penetrates the soil, is activated by moisture, and has all the nutrients for healthy tree growth.
If you want to get from one point A to another point B, you're always struggling. Imagine a world where you and your partner go outside of this building, sit down in your jet, take off vertically like a helicopter, smoothly translate into an airplane, and try a fly wherever you want.
Women are looking not only for comfort, but also for a product that does not contain harmful chemicals or plastics, so that when they're disposed, they'll degrade within months, not years. And we want women everywhere to have access to a product that's rash-free, high quality, and provides them a sustainable experience, period.
I survived a 21-day coma in Nigeria 15 years ago, and it pains me so much that today more than 1 million people across the world die because of fake drugs. Arexol is an AI platform for authenticating drugs using your mobile phone. Imagine if we could get our solution into the hands of every single household across the world. It means we would save the lives of over 1 million people.
It will always make me feel very humbled and very honored to be able to help those entrepreneurs. I think we've achieved already quite a lot, giving them the visibility they deserve and also the right connections. So looking forward, Andreas, how do you think we can have a bigger impact?
So fantastic video indeed, Arnaud, and remembering what happened last year with Arexol, very nice moment. I think that going forward, we keep and we will keep helping, of course, entrepreneurship as a major way to develop and to promote and foster more technology around. For us, for BNP Paribas, it is a major objective. It is embedded in our strategy. The way we're doing this is, of course, fostering cooperation with startups, helping them also supporting them. By the way, here in France, we have the All Innovation Network with 65 centers and 100 bankers covering more than 3,500 startups and scale-ups, and we're pushing for them and we're supporting the development. The other one is accelerating startups away, and with our partners and our devices and our setups, we are accelerating also startups. And of course, investment. Investment is key when to help all these scale-up startups to develop what they're doing. We have to take care of this, take care more of this in Europe and all around the world, of course. And this will be key to foster what all these new technologies are trying to do. Of course, more now than ever, it will have to be in a very positive way. We believe that positive impact is key here. And the way technology will be used for a better planet, to build a better planet and better people, will be at the heart of our strategy, and of course, is also what community and the planet is asking for.
Thank you. It's very exciting. Happy to hear that. I think now is the time to take a look at the 14 track winners that who are now competing for the grand prize.
Imagine that the molecule we want to see less of can be a key positive player in the energy transition and climate change. This molecule is actually carbon dioxide. The technology that makes this possible is what we develop. A large-scale battery that uses CO2 to store renewables and releases electricity on demand. A technology that can be easily switched to a negative emission system that consumes CO2 every hour of the day in a highly profitable manner. Imagine the possibility this can create for the world.
Within the next 2 minutes, a child will die of malaria. Reliable diagnostics are not available, and we introduce a device that provides quick and very reliable diagnosis, and preclinical test results have been published in scientific report. We start with malaria, but we will scale to other parasitic diseases. My name is Temitope Agbano. Your vote for us today might save the life of one child tomorrow. Thank you.
The world wants to reduce CO2 emissions. Europe wants to reduce them in aeronautics in 75% for 2050. Cedrion, with our cold plasma-based technology, allows to refrigerate onboard electronics with such an important weight savings that allow us to help aeronautics in their path to create a more electric aircraft, and so a much more connected and sustainable world.
Good day, everyone. I am Gary Ong, and I'm the founder and CEO of Celodyne Technologies. So, as we all know, innovation is a continuous path forward. We cannot undo the past. All we can do is innovate aggressively to create the future. Now at Celodyne, we believe that innovation starts in the form of a membrane that unlocks hydrogen devices to help hydrogen fulfill the potential to decarbonize energy. I hope you agree with me, and I hope you'll join us. Thank you.
Hello. This year we have seen devastating fires all the way from Australia to North America. Antarctica recorded the highest temperature ever. Internal combustion engine vehicles causing roughly about 1/3 of all greenhouse gas emissions around the world, which we believe are one of the major causes for that climate change. What we are working on accelerating adoption of electrical vehicles, enabling them to charge as fast as it takes to fill up a tank of gas by the means of a software-based charging protocol without damaging batteries.
Hi everyone. It's so great to be here to be talking about the future of communications. Well, it is no accident that we're having this as a virtual event, and the sanitary crisis has forced half of the world population to migrate online. But in fact, 3.6 billion people have not been part of this new digital economy. And at Greener Wave, we believe in a better connected world, and we want to onboard everyone. We are developing low-cost and low-power antennas to close the digital divide.
Four million deaths are linked to bad indoor air. Since we spend 90% of our time indoors, we're exposing ourselves to sub-micron scale air pollutants that spread viral diseases and cause serious illnesses, such as cancer, heart attacks, and dementia. The COVID pandemic is highlighting the need to balance wellness and building energy efficiency to achieve sustainability. Metalmark is a Harvard startup that leverages our unique patented 3D nanostructure materials inspired by butterflies to create air purification systems for treating airborne pathogens such as coronavirus, volatile organic compounds, and ultrafine particulates. We have customers in our fund with investment from BMW Mini, Urban S, as well as grants and awards from the US NSF, NIH, and others.
Space is now an active commercial domain for day-to-day activities, from monitoring our lives on Earth to communicating with each other. Soon, things like lunar science and asteroid mining to on-orbit construction and virtual tourism will become commercial. All of these sectors are enabled by robotics and autonomous systems, which need a standard commercial solution to be competitive. To address this massive market, our enterprise SaaS solution is Mission Control Software, a distributed computing and networking platform to enable AI deployment across nodes and facilitating VR, AR, near real-time decision-making and mission following. Not only is this technology essential to enable commercial space robotics, it brings with it a huge impact for humanity as industry undertakes commercial missions. We're committed to inspiring the next generation to always keep exploring, and we hope that Mission Control Software will enable every future mission.
Mitochondria are the powerhouse of cells. They're actually 2 billion years old. We now have a genetic technology to unleash their natural power for the first time. It is for creating more food, protecting the environment, creating more healthy compounds, and curing human diseases. We have the power. Please join us. Let us do this together for our people and for our planet.
Patented imaging technology, inspired by our PhD research, gives us superhuman vision. In poultry, instead of wasting eggs by the billions, we can identify them and feed half of the world's starving children. Also, we can prevent the killing of 7 billion male chicks, repurposing them for vaccines instead. And we're just getting started in revealing what's hidden. Today, we will revolutionize poultry. Tomorrow, we will unleash AI-powered imaging for everything and everyone.
Ozzyvax is developing next-generation vaccines addressing the need represented by influenza, coronavirus, and other respiratory diseases, killing 500,000 people annually. With our proprietary technology platform developed in collaboration with researchers from Oxford University, EMBL, Heidelberg University, we can target the internal non-mutating part of these viruses and save millions of people every year. We are now on track to commercialize our first vaccine in the next 5 years, and our vote today would really support our development and accelerate our success.
Pascal builds quantum computers. It's a new computing paradigm that will change our life. It is poised to be the main industrial revolution of the 21st century, as quantum already was during the last one with the discovery of a transistor. In the race to build highly efficient quantum processors, Pascal can meet all the challenges thanks to a unique scalable technology. Let us make it happen now, not tomorrow. Thank you.
We need new drugs that kill bacteria. Resistances are rising, and we're finally decoding our microbiomes. We now need drugs that target bacteria with precision. Our platform can target any bacteria. We develop small proteins that identify bacteria and kill only those. Our first drug restores the vaginal microbiome in women with chronic vaginosis, because vaginal health is key to healthy women and healthy babies. Thank you.
See through the matter. This is the solution we offer to the industry to reduce its cost of poor quality and to decrease the consumption of raw materials. We estimate that the automotive industry alone could save 1 million tons of plastics per year by using our game-changing, non-destructive imaging solution based on ultra-fast terahertz pulses. Our technology is safe, contrary to X-rays. It is contactless, contrary to ultrasounds, and it is rapid. We have customers in several markets, like automotive, aerospace, and packaging. Thank you.
All those startups have an amazing vision, and I really hope they're all going to succeed, because it would really change the world for the better. We are now going to invite them to join us to be able to listen live to you, Andreas, announcing the grand winner. So now, if you could please do us the honor to award the prize.
Sure, I'm very pleased to award. Congratulations to all of you, to all the 14. But I think you had 5,000 startups applying at the beginning.
It's true. It's a huge achievement to make it this far. Sorry for the. They were waiting for the name.
They will wait a few seconds.
But it's true. It's worth mentioning that there were 5,000, more than 5,000 applications from 128 countries. So making it this far is already an incredible achievement. And from the experience of the previous editions of the Hello Tomorrow Global Challenge, I know that it's going to already bring them lots of visibility. But now let's see which one really makes it to the last round.
So in order to announce the winner of this edition, I have to go to my telephone because it has been just sent to me, the name. And the winner for the 2020 edition is Agora.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Agora Energy Technologies, congratulations. Coming from Canada.
Thank you.
So maybe if you want to say a few words, we can let you a few seconds to digest the news, and when you're ready, you can share your reaction with us.
So congratulations for your achievement, your prize, your award, and what you are doing is fantastic.
You cannot see us, but we do have a big smile waiting for you.
Okay. I'm ready. So thank you, Hello Tomorrow, for giving all of us, the 5,000 and the 14 and all the people all the startups who came here, the opportunity to present you our dreams and focus and you know, many times when I read the news and it always tells you that 99% of the startup fails and 99% of the startup fails. And I'm thinking, what's wrong with these people? Where is the 1%? Where are the dreams? So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for allow the dreamers to push on, to follow their mission and vision, whether they won in a track or not. They are all here for a reason. They have grit, they have passion. And for those startups, please don't ever look in the rear mirror and ever listen to anybody what they tell you. Just push it forward. You are just the best. And thank you, BNP Paribas, for this honor. And I'm looking forward for the 7 or 8 edition. Maybe we can power Hello Tomorrow with CO2. Thank you.
Congratulations for your innovation, your passion, your ambition, your energy, and looking forward to seeing you next time and next year as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm sure you will also be a great source of inspiration for the next generation of deep tech entrepreneurs. And indeed, thank you a lot, Andrea, for helping making this possible. Yeah, let's start again.
I just wanted to say a big applause to the other 13 candidates that were. You are all winners. You are doing all a fantastic thing. You are all doing a fantastic invention, a fantastic journey, and we hope all the best for you. And again, keep doing what you're doing, keep innovating, keep pushing, and keep changing the world.
Thank you, Andreas.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations again to our grand prize winner. And with that, to close out this summit, I'd like to invite the co-managing directors of Hello Tomorrow on stage to join us, Sarah Pedrosa and Christophe Tarek. Welcome.
Hello.
And congratulations. This is the end of your first ever week-long global summit. Sarah, what are your impressions?
Well, actually, normally we're all the team sitting next to the stage, watching all the startup pitching. I thought with the digital format, it would not be that emotional, but still, the emotion is here. 3, 4. It's been a hard year, really difficult one. And we have in our team heroes who deserve attention. So I would like to mention them all, one by one. 3, 4. Paola, our event manager, Anouk, putting up this fantastic program, our challenge team, Thomas and Lois, responsible for the startup competition that you've seen, Paola, Claudia, Tara, Anne-Laure, Flo, Pac on making this event the best experience possible. Nico, always ready to moderate panels, Alberto, attracting an ever-growing international community, Vincent, William, Chloe, Luca, Marwan, for your most valuable support in all times. And of course, my dear partners, Arnaud and Chris, for being so calm in times of crisis. Of course, none of this would be possible without our partners. They are supporting us since a long time, and I also want to mention them all. Of course, our worldwide partner, represented here by Andreas, BNP Paribas, but also the Boston Consulting Group, L'Oréal, BPI France, DSM, Safran, Ariane Group, Airbus Venture, Leonard, Yves Penn, Bayer, SNCF, La French Tech, Merck, Choose Paris Région, European Space Agency, Joy Ventures, and the European Commission. We would not be here without you. And Kayla, thank you for everything you've done this week. It was not easy to entertain an entire week of Global Summit digitally, so you've been doing an amazing work. Gemma, I will miss your your moderation of the Startup Challenge during this whole week. And of course, the technical team, WebStyle, who's been here supporting us, Stefan for this amazing studio, and everybody who's been supporting us, even the providers who were supposed to work on a physical event with us and who couldn't make it this year. So yes, I'm just grateful.
Thank you, Sarah. It really takes a whole team and village to put on such an amazing event, and you have a great ecosystem and group around you, so that's so great. What about you guys? What's next for Hello Tomorrow?
Well, something we can really commit on, thanks to this amazing team, is to go further. So obviously, be there for this deep tech ecosystem and help them connect, collaborate, inspire each other, and be bold and go further.
Yeah, I definitely agree. And what it means for startup, for example, is that we will always keep helping you in your journey, which is very difficult, we know. We will keep bringing you visibility, the right connections with investors or industrial clients or partners. Until now, we've been doing that mostly with the Hello Tomorrow Challenge that we've just seen the final today, right now. So it's converging to this event, the Hello Tomorrow Summit. And in the future, we are also going to do that whenever you need it. So not just during a few events. That's what we're doing already in the Deep Tech Pioneers program, which is rather in the kind of prototyping phase now, but it's going to go full force in 2016. 21, sorry. And it means that also for investors and accelerators, we are going to be able to connect you with those deep tech pioneers, basically the best deep tech startups of the world, more regularly. So I hope you'll be excited and happy about that.
And I would like to say that we strongly need corporates. So we want to help you navigate into those emerging trends and connect with the right innovation partners. We're frankly humbled to be at the center of the deep tech ecosystem, and we want to use that to co-design with you the best approaches to leverage deep tech and meet our environmental and social goal. And along the way, to adapt and thrive in this like crazy, intense collaboration era that we're in, because frankly, it will take all of us to meet this next decade of challenges.
All of us, and it's, well, at least for us, it's starting with the whole team, definitely not just the two of us. So I hope we can invite them maybe to join, some here physically, maybe some others that are still in the office today digitally, if we can make the connection. So yeah, let's... So I don't know what, usually we do a big jump, so I don't know what we're supposed to do, but yes. So this is the Hello Tomorrow team. And I don't think everybody is going to talk, so, but yeah, we are going to stay here and do our best.
Thank you, Sarah, Chris, and Arno. I mean, it really has been a group effort and this amazing team that's here and also on your screens. Thank you on behalf of all of the Deep Tech community worldwide for bringing this summit to everyone on our screens and on the replay and on the live. And with that, that is a wrap for us this year. We will see you next year. Woo!